In recent days, the whole world has turned its attention to the conflict in Israel. The Americans, as usual, are the main military suppliers to its allies. The arms industry is growing more than ever. On October 9 to 11, OSA 2023 or AUSA was held in the United States. This event is one of the main platforms for America to demonstrate promising developments in the field of land weapons and equipment. German company Rheinmetall Defense has introduced a promising anti-UAV vehicle, the Skyranger 30 cannon turret combat module mounted on a Ripsaw Mini Tank chassis from Howe Technologies, now a division of American defense contractor Textron. The combination is being pitched primarily as a counter-drone system, but could be used against a variety of other aerial threats, including cruise missiles and low-flying aircraft. The vehicle has not been named. It is an unmanned combat complex. All control activities are performed remotely or automatically. Touted as an effective air defense solution, the Skyranger is characterized by high mobility, pinpoint accuracy, and lethal capabilities. It is especially adept at neutralizing threats on the modern battlefield, such as small and high-agile unmanned aerial vehicles, according to Rheinmetall. From the point of view of the general architecture, the new air defense system from the Rheinmetall and Textron companies is a combat vehicle on a track chassis with a fully rotating turret carrying machine gun, cannon, and missile weapons. A curious feature of the project is the use of ready-made components and modules, as a result of which the development was mainly reduced to their integration. The weight of such a chassis is up to 10 tons. The combat module weighs an additional 2.5 tons. With a combat weight of 12 to 13 tons, this vehicle must reach a speed of more than 40 km per hour. The Skyranger 30 combat module is mounted on the chassis. This is a full-size turret with an armor hull that provides bulletproof and fragmentation protection. The module is arranged in such a way that all units are located above the shoulder strap and no space is required inside the carrier vehicle. The Skyranger 30, which made its public debut in 2021, is a fully traversable turret with a primary armament consisting of a 30mm Oerlikon KCE automatic cannon with a 250-round magazine. The KCA is designed to fire specialized advanced hit efficiency and destruction programmable air burst ammunition. The ammunitions receive data on the optimal timing for the airburst as they leave the gun's barrel. When they detonate, they produce a cone-shaped cloud of tungsten sub-projectiles that increases the probability of scoring a hit, especially on smaller targets like drones and cruise missiles. A version of the Skyranger with a larger 35mm cannon, or a Skyranger 35, also exists. The turret can also fire short-range surface-to-air missiles from a pop-up launcher at the left upper rear section of its turret. The launch system can be loaded with at least 2 missiles of various types at a time. The US-made Stinger, European MBDA's Mistral, and the Sky9 from Harken in the United Arab Emirates are among the options for use with the Skyranger 30. Equipped with 3D EAS active radar and passive infrared sensors, combined with formidable weapon systems. All of this combined allows for robust, autonomous firepower, securing soldiers operating in demanding environments. The Ripsaw M5 chassis has previously been seen with a smaller 30mm cannon arm turret, and the US Army has been evaluating this configuration. According to the manufacturer, the M5's hybrid electric propulsion system allows for a silent operations mode, at least when the vehicle is not moving or doing so at very slow speeds for short periods. This can help reduce its infrared and acoustic signatures, making it hard for enemy forces to spot. This combination could be very valuable for providing on-the-move air defense for ground forces, as well as mobile point defense against various aerial threats in rear areas. In general, the new project from Rheinmetall and Textron is about combining two well-known and advertised models of equipment of different classes to obtain an interesting self-propelled combat vehicle. The developer claimed that the resulting air defense missile system has high technical and technical characteristics and is capable of effectively solving on-the-side combat missions. This product alone or in a group is capable of monitoring airspace, identifying and hitting air targets. At the same time, during development, special emphasis was placed on combating small-sized objects such as UAVs. Developments of this kind were combined with other modern solutions. Reportedly, the standard radar and OLS of the Skyranger 30 product make it possible to find and track air targets within a radius of tens of kilometers, ensures detection of even small-sized objects with low radar cross-section,